Hey y'all! How are you guys been? Oh my god, I haven't done this in so long. I miss you guys so much. Oh my goodness. So first of all, I just wanted to welcome all of my new friends on YouTube, aka my new stubbies. Wow. Okay, I'm really excited. I haven't done this in so long. For all you guys that's been following me since the beginning, I know y'all are like, oh my god, Patience, like, I know I haven't seen you in a couple of months, but did your hair grow? No, girl, this is actually a weave. Yes, yes, this is fake. This is fake. Hold on, let me show y'all. It might be a little bit nappy back there, but yes, you know, this is not my hair. I installed this weave for homecoming about a month and a half ago. So I've had this in for a month and a half. I have a little bit of let out around the perimeter and things. But yeah, I cut it, curled it, styled it myself. This is actually supposed to be a short video. But I did get ready for you guys, you know. I put on my makeup, gave my hair a little curl, a little flip, you know, because I had to look good for y'all. In fact, I even went to the store and bought a couple of products because I was like, I don't want my new subscribers to think that I'm ratchet, and I'm not about to be on here looking ratchet. Y'all haven't seen me in a while, and I know y'all, you know, I want to be cute for you guys because I miss you guys a lot. So yeah, I stopped by MAC, got some things, the beauty supply store, got some things, you know. I've actually even been on a couple of dates this past week, and I didn't do any of that for them, but you know, I did it all for you guys. So I hope y'all dug in my makeup. I liking my hair. You know, I even put on pink, which is a good color on my skin, I would say. So, you know, I hope y'all like it. I did it for you. So, but yeah. So, basically, the reason I'm making this video, it's a real quick video. I basically have been, even though I haven't making videos, I have been on, you know, checking my email, responding to you guys' comments and things like that if you guys have any questions for me. And basically I want to put all the questions into like a real video, like a texturizer FAQ video. And I also want to do a video about me because I want to extend myself to you guys and just, you know, let y'all know about me. If you want to know more about me, yeah, we could do that. You know, also I need to know, like, I have questions for you too, like what kind of other videos you guys want me to do, because I don't want to just make videos and then like nobody wants to see it. So let me know what other kind of videos y'all want from me. Like I'm interested in doing like some tutorials. I'm definitely gonna be doing a giveaway, so definitely subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and stay tuned for that, because basically how it's gonna work is I am thinking of a number, and whatever number matches that number subscriber, then that person automatically wins, and then there'll be another person to win also. So I mean, I'll go into more detail about that, the way that the winners are gonna work, but basically subscribe now because I have about like 100+ subscribers, I think, and so the number I'm thinking about could be 55, or the number I'm thinking about could be like 510. So subscribe, and whatever number matches that subscriber, they automatically win for the giveaway. And then I have another winner for the giveaway. So go ahead and subscribe now. Go ahead and like this video now too. Get that out the way. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway along with like a favorite things video from this whole year. Like I know a lot of bloggers do like November favorites, October favorites. Like I don't I don't, you know, get a whole lot of products every month. Like I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys what I've been liking this whole year, because I know I've been getting asked questions like what kind of conditioners do I use, different things about hair products I use, and like face products or whatever. Like I'm gonna have all of that in the favorites video. I'm gonna be just making a whole bunch of videos, so give me video ideas, because I want to start doing my videos, especially because I'm done with school. Whoop whoop, yay me. I recently just graduated college, so I'm really excited about that, and I have more time to be doing these things. Yeah, and I want to get more involved with you guys. I want to get to know y'all better. I want y'all to get to know me better. So just hit me up. And I don't want y'all to think like, oh, you know, I'm not going to hit her up because she might not hit me back. I will definitely hit you back. Like, I'm not Hollywood, you know, I'm a real person, and this is my real room, and this is my real life. So I do check my emails. I do like to hear from y'all, and anybody that has hit me up recently or unrecently or whatever, ever since I have my page, they have heard back from me. And you can check, like, go through my videos if you want to. You can see, like, I be responding to y'all, and because I love hearing from y'all. This is the reason why I have this page, because I want to talk to y'all, I want to interact, I want to get to know any of the questions you have. Like, as I experience things with my hair, my texturizer, and things like that, I'm going to let y'all know. And if y'all have any questions about it, definitely let me know, and I will hit you back for sure. That's the purpose of this page. I have a weave. Like I said, I have a weave now. I'm going to take out this weave, I believe, at the end of this week. If not, definitely by the end of next week. And I'm going to show you guys the update, because I know y'all want to see that. The update of my texturizer. I've had it in for about like 3-4 months. I've done a retouch one time, and I will do another retouch. But we'll get into all of that. So basically, this is just a video asking y'all to ask me questions. Like, whatever questions you have. If it's about my texturizer, it's about my makeup, if it's about my hair. I'm definitely going to do a review on this hair too, because this hair is really good and it's really bad all at the same time, and I really need y'all to know about this hair. If y'all have used this hair, yeah, I'm definitely going to do a video on that. Oh, these are my earrings. This is random. These are my earrings, but I love them. There's like a little spike on the back, whatever. Yeah. My necklace by Joy. What else? What else do I want to share with you guys? Oh, I miss you guys. What do you want to know about, like, my makeup or whatever? What kind of videos do y'all want me to make? That's a huge one right there. And also for the FAQ about the texturizer, I need to know about that too, because I need questions from you so I can answer them for the video. What else? Like I said, if you want to know anything about me, I can answer that for you too. But other than that, I think that's about it. Again, thank you to all my new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should definitely subscribe, because you definitely want to be a part of this giveaway. It's gonna be a maze, okay? I'm not gonna get into it, but it's gonna be a bomb giveaway. So definitely subscribe so you can be a part of that. But yeah, that's it. Okay, it was so much nice talking to you guys. Like this video and subscribe and comment. Okay, bye.